Have you ever said, "I wish I spoke better English"? Or maybe, "I wish I hadn't eaten that last slice of pizza"? Then guess what? You've already started using one of the most powerful grammar tools in English. Today, we're going to look at the many ways to use "I wish," and if you stick around until the end, I'll share my very own "I wish" story. So let's get started. The first way to make an "I wish" sentence is very common. You probably already know it. When we have a desire or a dream about the present, we can say, "I wish." Plus, past simple. This is a little bit of magic because we are using the past to talk about the present. Look at these examples. I wish I had a new car. She wishes she were taller. What do these sentences have in common? We are using the past tense, but we're talking about the present. I wish plus past simple is the perfect tool to add a little excitement to your everyday English. And remember, if you want to sound extra fancy, use were instead of what. For example, I wish I were there. This sentence sounds more formal and polite than I wish I was there. Okay. Tip 1. Got it. Now, let's move on to tip 2. The second way to make an I wish sentence is I wish plus past perfect. We use this to talk about things we regret, things that already happened or didn't. It has to talk about something in the past that didn't happen, but you wanted it to, or something in the past that happened, but you wish it hadn't. Look at these examples. I wish I had studied harder. You probably know studying is important, but maybe you were lazy, and now you realize that being lazy was a mistake. Or let's look at this example. They wish they had gone to the party. They were invited, but decided not to go. Later, they saw the pictures online and realized it looked fun, and now they wish they had been at that party. Tip 3. I wish plus would or could. There are two ways to make an I wish sentence with would and could. First, I wish plus subject plus would. Could plus base. Form a verb. We're going to use this structure when we want to talk about something that's annoying us. Listen to these examples. I wish you would stop talking. I wish she would clean her room more often. In these examples, you can see that we're talking about something that someone else does or doesn't do. When we use would, we're talking about things that are repeated. So I wish plus subject plus would plus base form a verb is great for talking about habits. Second, I wish plus subject plus would could plus base form a verb. We are going to use this structure when we talking about our hopes or dreams for the future. Look at these examples. I wish it would rain. I wish I could visit Paris. I wish you would call me. In these examples, we're talking about things we'd like to happen, but we know that they probably won't happen. Or, let's look at this one. I wish I could swim. I would love to swim, but I don't know how. So which one will you use in this sentence? I wish I had a bigger house. Or, I wish I could have a bigger house. Both are correct, but there is a slight difference in meaning. With had, you're saying that you want something different now. With could, you're talking about the present, but you're emphasizing that something is not possible right now. So next time you want to express a wish, a regret, or just some frustration with the rain, now you know exactly how to do it. And just like I promised, here's my I wish story. When I was younger, I wish I had started learning English much earlier. But luckily, now I don't wish anymore because thanks to amazing students like you who watch my videos, I get to do what I love every day. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an awesome English lesson. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.